And hello there, Math Masters. Hope you're enjoying the Nearpod way of learning. We're going to get into our concept development in just a moment. I got to set my timer and turn my phone off. Should have done that before I turned the video camera on. But let's get started with this. And so what we're looking at is 110 is 10 times as much as 1 1. What does that mean? Let's draw a picture and find out. We're going to start off drawing a place value chart. So draw with me. And let's just, on this one, we're just going to do ones, tens, and 100s. So ones, tens, and hundreds. So, let's do this right here. What is the name of that unit? Well, you should say or think to yourself a 1. So now, let's go ahead and multiply that by 10, or make 10 of those. There's 2. There's 3 and 4, and follow along with me. There's 5 and 6. 7 and 8, and 9 and 10. So we have 10 ones, right? What do 10 ones equal? Well, they equal, and we're just going to go over there, would equal 110. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Let's, I'm going to unfold this paper in half so I have room to work on it. And we'll make another place value chart. Whoop. And this one, let's just go ahead and make ones, tens, and 100s, and hundreds, 110 hundreds. And what we're going to show here is that 100 is 10 times as much as 110. So, we're going to make 110. Then we're going to show that 100 is 10 times as much as that 110. Let's make 10 tens. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. Here's 7. And 8. And 9. And 10. All right, so let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we can see that 10 tens makes 1 100, right? 10 tens, 100. 10 times 10 is 100, just like 1 times 10 was 10. And we're going to tackle one more before we take a break. And this time around, we're going to use 4 sections for our place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So we have our ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And I'll give you a moment to catch up. And what we're going to show here is that 1,000 is 10 times as much as 100. Okay? So let's do 100 here. So we have 100. Let's do 200. There's 200. 300. 400. 500. 600. 700. 800. 900. And 1,000. But nobody says 1,000, do they? What are 10 hundredths? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Not 10 hundredths, but 1,000. So we can see here that 10 hundredths makes 1,000. And we're going to take a little break now, and we will be back. Maybe with a special guest.